Welcome back and happy Friday the 13th. Um, let's pick a pattern to do. I am going to do from my deck of cards number 3 from Alena Light because I'm not too sure what I want to do. And I'm going to pick the 13th card. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's the card we're going to do today. That was meant to be. Zemik. Let me put it here so you guys can see. Zemik. Looks like we're going to do a 6-armed thing. Then from those 6 arms, we're going to draw little, like this way. I don't know how to describe that. How do you describe that? Like make each edge like a curvy triangle? And then we're going to come out with another one in between there. So we got to leave a little space between our triangles. Line's going to come out between each one of those. And then we're going to put this kind of shape, whatever that is. It's kind of leafy-like shape. She's done them, looks like she's done them in a variety of shapes here in her sample. Let's just play with that as a, do I want to just do one big one? Let's just do one big one in the middle of a page and then maybe embellish that somehow. Let's just grab what sounds happy. Let's do a happy yellow page. Whoa, that's close up. Alrighty. Let's do a 6. Something in that general vicinity, right? So we're going to need to make it small enough that the second row goes longer. So I don't want to go out too far. Something like that. And then these are going to get a swoop. Like that. Like that. Are mine perfectly even? No. Arlena's probably. She is so precise with her work. It is amazing. I just kind of wing it. My work is always a little more rustic. Let's go with the word rustic. Okay, so now I want to put an arm in the middle of each of these coming out. And then we're going to go to midpoint here with something. Let's do a little like this first, because I don't know what I want to connect to it yet. And then on more of a curve. That's all right. We're just going to do a kind of a leafy. A leafy vibe. They are not all the same. One of these things is not like the other, but that's okay. That's okay. That's fun. I'm okay with that. And then I want to put a pattern here. I think I want to put a diagonal on this. Only on one side. I'm going to have lunch. I'm going to go for a walk. I need to do that. My husband's not home till late tonight. Maybe I'll go for a quick walk. About 20 minutes. Something like that. One more. And then we'll decide what we're going to do next. Do I ever have a plan? Almost never. Every so often, I will actually dream about patterns, and one will be in my head that exactly the way I wanted to do it, but most of the time not. And then I think I don't want stripes in there though. Unless they go this way. Maybe they'll go this way. Oh, I like that. I like that. Just like that. I think I want to put a bit of color. this one. What one is it? I don't know. It is a sage green metallic from Color. Does it look green on this paper? It kind of looks gray, but I think that's because of the yellow. But that's okay. I'll take it. I think I want this one. I want white. Not sure I like this color, but that's where we started. Do you see even the metallic? Not really. What do I want? I think I want white here. Okay. Okay, I'm good with that. We are going to use my outliner pen, the green one. And we are going to go why? I don't know. Just because I felt like it. That is one of the most empowering things you can do with your art. when somebody says, well, why did you do this? Why did you do that? Because I felt like it. That is all that matters. Because I felt like it. Like that. I'll put a dot. And I think I'm going to go ahead and outline all of this too. Because I feel like it. Is this the most perfect pen for doing art? Maybe not. But why not use it? There we go. That's pretty. I want dots coming down. I think that's pretty. I wasn't liking it until I added the silver, and now I really like it. So, you know what? That's good. I'm happy with this. This is Zemik. Kind of looks like a snowflake. It is not the right weather for snowflake, but that's okay too. You know what? It is what it is. I'm happy with this. All right, you guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. I'm going to have some lunch. I'm going to take a walk. I will see you guys whenever. I guess next week. Oh, this is going to be Father's Day weekend in the United States. So give your dad a hug. Give your dad a gift. If your dad's no longer here or no longer in your life, just remember your dad in some way. And if you are a dad, congratulations to you, and I hope you're having a good day. Zemik. That is the name of that pattern. All right, I will see you guys sometime. It will probably be, I don't know when my schedule is. I like to record way ahead. I've got some travel coming up. I've got some life events happening. So I'm trying to get in as much drawing as I can now, because when I am not home, I will not have time to draw. All right. So, like I said, if Father's Day is coming up, do something nice for a father or father figure in your life. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.